Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to build up your Shopify store. First, choose a memorable store name and register your custom domain. Next, select a Shopify plan that fits your business size and goals, whether you are just starting or scaling up. Then, customize your store's theme to create a unique brand identity. Finally, add crucial pages such as About Us and contact information to provide a complete customer experience. Once your store is set up, focus on populating it with products. Upload high-quality images and craft compelling descriptions that highlight product benefits. Organize your items into logical collections, making it simple for customers to browse. Implement inventory tracking to keep an accurate count of your stock. Finally, configure precise shipping rates and tax settings to ensure smooth transactions for every order. Attracting customers is key to growth. Implement search engine optimization, or SEO, to ensure your store appears high in search results. Launch engaging email marketing campaigns to connect with your audience and announce new products. Run targeted social media advertisements to reach potential customers where they spend their time. Consider offering special discounts or promotions to drive sales and build customer loyalty. To ensure long-term success, continuously optimize your store. Regularly analyze performance data using Shopify Analytics to identify trends and areas for improvement. Actively gather customer feedback to refine your products and services. Explore the vast array of Shopify apps to add new features and enhance your store's capabilities. Finally, consider expanding your product lines or targeting new markets to scale your business.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.